Hey guys, today we're going to be opening up even more Pokemon card packs, and this time we got 2 return Pokemon card packs. We got this one back from part 2, and Twilight Masquerade back from part 3. So I thought it would be a good idea to open this one first. No reason. So we'll start doing this. So I'm not going to let you scan code cards anymore because I actually downloaded the Pokemon card live and I realized that somebody had scanned the code card, so I'm not going to show you.
Code card.
Ugh. So then we move our energy. Wait, okay. Sorry, checking if it wasn't.
Why am I so happy about an energy?
Checking if I didn't get the good card in front. So we got basic grass energy, Farfetch'd, Torkoal, Kadabra, Hawlucha. Stop. Oh, skipped one. Snorlax. Luna's Aid, Leafeon, Enchanted Hammer, and Kyrian. Why? In these packs, I always get full arts. Oh, and this is a double art too. And then my least favorite Pokemon. Yay, my least favorite Pokemon, Frostlass. Yay, boo.
Hooray, his
Least
favorite Pokemon ever. Hooray.
Whoa.
Let me see that.
I'm just going to set it right here so you can look at it. So now we got the Japanese pack.
Japanese pack, and he's going to get nothing good.
Yeah, I probably am going to get nothing good.
Here's him.
What?
It's already damaged.
What?
I don't know how.
Let me see. Wait, let me see.
There's a line.
It's a little bit damaged. I'm sure it's still worth a lot.
Yeah. I hope it's not in first place.
You mean like the strongest card? Okay, so just know there's no code card and like energy in this.
Yeah.
So you just have to start with the first card. I'm not trying to upset you if you're new to the channel and you're just watching this for your first video.
If oh my gosh, Rio. If you're new to the channel and you've only seen this video, you can watch our other videos.
Yeah. A Bulbasaur. Nevil, I think that's what it's called. Shrifty and Spiritomb. Spiritomb.
I have a Spiritomb.
Spiritomb's always cool.
Yeah. Cynthia has a Spiritomb in the show.
Okay, so that was... Stop. So that was it for today.
Wait, can I show them your minifigure?
No.
Oh.
Oh, fine. It's just a guy.
I dropped him on Spiritomb.
I got a damaged card.
That's no fair. I got no good card from Game of the Movie.
Ooh. Oh. Yeah, so...
Steal it.
I'm probably going to be getting more Twilight Masquerade now that I just keep getting full arts in it.
I want to get Twilight Masquerade. I've got 0 Twilight Masquerade.
That's actually true. He's never gone to Twilight Masquerade pack in his whole life. So that's the end of the video. Stop.
Oh.
See you soon, and I'll see you guys next time.